Welcome Punjabi Shorthand.com. Be ready. Start. India's political discourse has been sinking imaginably low over the last few years, moving away from the unifying narrative of the founding fathers of the country to abject levels of distrust, hatred, and bigotry. Full stop. Religious leaders have been fanning hatred by espousing separatist ideologies. Full stop. The country has witnessed lynching of people by cow vigilantes and innocent teachers, bankers, or laborers have been killed by Islamist separatists in Kashmir. Full stop. Suppressed classes have been victims of atrocities and violence. Full stop. Political leaders, including ministers in the government, have made comments targeting individuals on the basis of their religion, caste, or ethnicity. Full stop. All this has caused friction and distrust among various social and religious groups. Full stop. In this charged climate, it's curious that the Supreme Court should pin the blame for what is happening in the country on one individual, former BJP spokesperson Nupur Sharma. Full stop. Hearing a petition filed by Nupur Sharma to club multiple FIRs registered against her across the country, a Supreme Court bench observed, full stop, the way she has ignited emotions across the country, full stop. This lady is single-handedly responsible for what is happening in the country, full stop, referring to the remarks she had made regarding Prophet Muhammad during a TV debate. The court noted, full stop, what is her business to make these remarks, question mark. The court also observed that she should have apologized to the nation on TV, adding she was too late to withdraw, full stop. More relevantly, the court pulled up the TV channel for organizing a debate on a contentious sub-judice topic for the possible motive of fanning an agenda, full stop. Our religious and political leaders have sown the seeds of hatred, and the country is reaping the crop of enmity, full stop. Mixing religion and politics is dangerous, but sadly it's politically useful as well, full stop. Though she has since apologized, Nupur Sharma cannot escape censure for speaking about a religious figure in a derogatory manner during a heated political debate, full stop. Blaming one individual for religious tensions across the country, however, is to ignore the role of politicians and religious leaders in adding fuel to separatist fires over the years, full stop. Finally, words cannot and must not be met with violence or threats. This is the first principle of harmonious coexistence, full stop. Para. Hearing a petition filed by Nupur Sharma to club multiple FIRs registered against her across the country, a Supreme Court bench observed, full stop, the way she has ignited emotions across the country, full stop. This lady is single-handedly responsible for